This is not just trading. This is smart trading powered by automation. Imagine earning daily profits without sitting in front of charts for hours. Our advanced auto trading robot is designed with intelligent algorithms that analyze the market in real time, identify high probability entries, and execute trades with precision. No emotions, no overtrading, just disciplined performance. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this system helps you grow consistently with controlled risk management. Start with as little as $100 and watch your account grow step by step. I'm personally using this robot, and the results speak for themselves. If you're serious about making passive income in 2026, this is your chance to get started. Don't wait. Automation is the future of trading.